Let's draw a honeybee. I already drew it for us to have a guide. Let's start with its eyes. This is very easy. Just draw an oval shape. Inside an oval shape is a pupil. Next is its head. Then its mouth. Then its thin antenna. Now we will proceed to its body. This is very easy. Just follow what I'm doing. Now let's sketch out the wing. Lastly is its legs. Time for coloring. Let's color its pupils with the color black. Also its mouth. And some parts of its body. Are you guys doing fine? This is very easy. Just follow what I'm doing. And the last part is its butt. Now let's color its remaining parts with the color yellow. Did you know that honeybees are super important pollinators for flowers, fruits, and vegetables? This means that they help other plants grow. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing plants to grow seeds and fruit. That is how important honeybees are. Are you guys doing fine? Now let's color its wings a color blue. Hope you guys doing fine. We are almost done. Just doing some finishing touches to make it more look interesting. Yay, we are done! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.